tell me the format? As we have already discussed this format, so this time I am going to ask you, and one by one you have to tell, and then I'll keep on writing. Got it? And then we will discuss the question. So first line. Who will tell me the first line? How to start notice? Okay, Somil is here. Yes, Somil. Only one line, okay? Unmute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, we should write name of the school.
Name of the school. Okay, just wait. I'm going to write, and then you have to tell whether I have written it correctly or not. Okay? Just wait. Am I writing it properly?
Ma'am, no.
No? Why?
Ma'am, we should write name of the school, ma'am, in capital letters.
Very good. Yes. It should be written in capital letters. Okay? So the name of the school.
Ma'am, comma city भी है.
Very good. Comma. Is it okay? Good. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now comes Anmol. Yes, Anmol. What next?
Ma'am, notice.
Okay. So just where should I write the word notice?
Ma'am,
Here.
no, ma'am, at the
next line. Okay.
yes, at the next line.
Next line. So Notice. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it means it should be in block letters. Done? Very good. Next is Sia. Yes, Sia. Anything else? What next?
We have to write date.
Here?
Ma'am, at the left hand side.
Yes. So I'm going to write the date here. See, if you want to leave a line, you can leave a line here. Okay? After notice, you can leave the line. Got it? Very good, Sia. Okay, then. Next is Anshuman. Anshuman. Okay, what next? Yes, unmute yourself. Yes. What next?
Ma'am, after on which the notice is writing, ma'am, heading.
Where should I write the heading?
Ma'am, in center.
In center, next line, right? So here I am going to write heading. Is it okay if I am writing it in capital, in block letters? Anshuman, is it okay? I have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. So here, name of the school, notice. You can leave a line here. Then date of writing the notice. Again, if you want, you can leave a line here. Is it okay? Then heading. All these things in block letters, capital. Okay. Now Sanam. Yes, Sanam.
Ma'am, then we have to leave one line and we will write the body of the letter of the notice.
I have to leave one line and then come
Body of the notice.
body of the notice. Okay. In body, we have to give the details. Right? Okay then.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is Saksham. Yes, Saksham.
Ma'am, at the left hand side, we have to write signature.
Okay, here. Is it okay?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, signature. Signature.
And after that, we have to write name.
After that, we have to write name.
Name and after that, we have to write designation.
Designation, yes. Post. Okay. Designation means the post.
Post.
So, okay, good. So, is the format complete? Nishtha is here. Nishtha, is the format complete?
Ma'am,
See the format, is it complete? Okay, Saksham, good. Good.
no,
What?
ma'am, no, ma'am, we have to also make box.
We have to
Make box.
box, right? So, the format is not complete. We need a box. So, here I go. And these things should be properly aligned. So, okay, and this is the proper. I think now my format is complete, right? Now the format is complete. So name of the school, comma city, right? It should be written in capital letters only. Then the word notice in the next line, middle word notice again in capital. Date of writing the notice. Then comes the heading, capital. Leave one line. Here we will give the details. Okay? And then signature, name and designation. I hope this format is clear. Right? Now we are going to write one notice. Okay? Because you are doing it for the first time. That is why I am going to give you a sample. Okay? How to write and what to write. Got it? So, see, the question is, your water bottle has been stolen from the class when you were out in the games period. Okay. Let me write the question here. Just wait. Your water bottle has been stolen from the class. I'm going to write it here. I hope it is visible now. This is the question. Your water bottle has been stolen from the class when you were out in the game period. As Kartik Anand draft a notice to be put on the school notice board giving all the details. So this is the question. The question is, your water bottle has been stolen from the class when you were out in the game period. As Karthik Anand, draft a notice to be put on the school notice board giving all the details in 50 words. Now, just see the information that you got. Okay? First information that you got is that you have to write about water bottle. Okay? You have to write about water bottle. Next information is that one name is given. See, the name is given. You are Karthik Anand. It means you are not going to write your own name here. You have to use that name, Karthik Anand. And yes, Krishna, we have to do this in our pair notebook. Word limit is also mentioned. Clear? Now let us see how to write. One more thing. Let us also see the information that is not given. Name of the school is not given. Clear? So when name of the school is not given, we will write the name. Let's start. I'm going to erase from here. So, name of the school, as no name is given, so we are going to write the name. You can write ABC Public School or Swami Sandas Public School, Jalandhar. Clear? So we write from here. It is S. Comma. I have to erase it. Done. After that, as I have told you, that you have to write this word notice in the center. So bring it here. Notice. Now leave one line. After this, you have to write date. You have to put the date. Which date? The date on which you are writing the notice. So today is 12. You are going to write it like this. See the format of date. Okay? Check the format of date. Check the format. First comes the month, April, date 12, comma, year. Got it? Month, then date, comma, then year. Now it is the turn to write the heading. Heading, I think you remember, I have told you heading means you have to write the subject. Okay? You have to write the subject here. So, heading. Just check. You have to write a notice that is related to water bottle that has been stolen. So, it means this is the notice of lost. Okay? Notice in which you have lost something. Okay? When you have lost something, you are going to write it like this. See, when you have lost something, you have to write it like this. See the heading? Leave one line. You can give this heading also. Lost, lost, lost. This is the simplest heading. Okay, this is the simplest heading. Lost, lost, lost. You are not supposed to write stolen, stolen, stolen. Okay, you will write lost, lost, lost. Or you can give another heading, that is water bottle lost. But I think we'll go with this one. Is it okay? So lost, lost, lost. After this comes body. Right? After this comes body, where we have to give the details. Now let us see how to give the details. First comes the thing that has been stolen or that you have lost. So it was a bottle. It is a water bottle. So you are going to write it like this: a brand new. Then you have to write the name of company. Got it? A brand new. From here, leave one line. A brand new. Now you can write down any name, any company name. Milton water bottle. I don't have enough space. Okay. So a water bottle has been lost. Has been lost. Has been lost in the classroom on, write down the date, on 12 or whatever date you want to write on. Is it okay? Then you have to mention the date. Then date. Is it okay? Then you have to mention the date. Then you have to give the details. How to identify. Is it okay? Details related to color, any special sticker if you have, or something special. So in case here, after writing this, you have to give the identification. So it is, you can write it is blue in color, red in color, and anything. Right? So we'll write it is blue. You can write anything, any specification, but usually color, and if there is any identification mark, you can also write that. So it is blue in color and has a white lid. It is blue in color and has a white lid. This is one identification. Okay, this is one identification. Now, something special, right? That is, there is a sticker of, you can write any cartoon character's name or anything. There is a sticker of, you can say Mickey Mouse or Barbie doll or any Pokemon. Okay, so you can write, there is a sticker of Pokemon on its steel body. Okay, there is a sticker. There is a sticker. Any cartoon character that you want, there is a sticker of body. Now you have given the identification. Now you have to tell, yes, Shinchan also, you can write anything. Now you have to tell whom to give it back. Okay, so you have to write, if found, please return. If found, please return. Now you have to tell whom to return. Please return it. Please return it to the undersigned. Okay, please return it to the undersigned. Please return it to the undersigned. When? Okay, it is not possible now that somebody has found your water and they are coming in between the period. So you have to tell them when. Okay, if found, please return it to the undersigned after full break. After full break. Is it okay? You have to give the child a particular time. It to the undersigned after full break in room number 10. Okay, in room number 10. Now, very important line. You have to promise a reward. Is it okay? You have to promise a reward. Obviously, if you think you have lost something and somebody is going to return it to you, that child deserves some reward. Okay? So you have to promise a reward. A suitable reward is promised. A suitable reward is promised. Done. So our notice is done. We have given the information, right? Everything. Now ending. To end, you have to put signature. Put down the signature of, you have to leave one line, then Karthik, Anand, again Karthik, Anand, that is name. And for designation, you can write head boy, head girl, marshal or anything. Write down marshal. Marshal. After that, enclose this is the way I have ended it. Okay? Got it? Is it clear? Now see what I have done. I have written the name of the school. After that, the word notice, then date, then lost. Means something has been lost. Now I have given the details of that particular product, that particular item that I have lost. Is it okay? So, a brand new company name. It is very important to write down the name of company. You no group, as the name is mentioned here in the question, so you have to write this name only, Karthik. A brand new Milton water bottle has been lost in the classroom. See, you have to tell where it has been lost. Okay? You have to tell the area, you have to tell the place where it has been lost. Sometimes it is mentioned in the question and sometimes it is not. Okay? After writing this, you have to mention the date. Okay? After writing this, give identification. Okay, after writing this, you have to give identification, some special features. It is blue in color, right? and has a white plate. You can write anything. Then something special, some special identification of that thing. I have written that there is a sticker of Pokemon on its body. If found, please return it to the undersigned means this. The person who has signed here. Okay, the person whose signature you can see here. Clear? So, if found, please return it to the undersigned when after full break in room number 10. Okay? And then a suitable reward is promised. Your notice is done. Clear? I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Done? Is it okay? Now any doubt? If you have any doubt, just ask. Is the comment clear? No doubt at all? So, your homework is that you have to write a question, you have to write a notice. I will send the question in WhatsApp group. Is it okay? Related to this lost only. Clear? This is the sample. This is the way you are going to write. Every notice that you write means related to lost. Keep this thing in your mind that you have to mention the thing that you have lost plus where, when. Then you have to give the special identification. Means something, you have to tell the specification of that lost thing. After writing this, something special that make it different from other things. And then to whom, when, and where. And then promise a reward. This is the way to write a notice that involves the lost things. Clear? Is it okay? And please don't add unnecessary information, otherwise word limit will be exceeded. Clear? Yes, Sia, definitely. So, done? And tomorrow we'll start poem. Is it okay? We'll start with the poem. Yes, Nishta? Yes, Nishta, please ask. Yes, yes, Nishta. Let's unmute yourself and ask.
Ma'am, in this notice, we can also, ma'am, in facial identification, ma'am, we can also write it has a keyring with the word and.
Yes, definitely. You can write like this. You can give any special identification. See, from special identification, I don't mean that you have to write about sticker only. You can write anything. But be careful that you are not supposed to exceed the word limit. That is 50. Okay? Don't exceed the word limit. Otherwise, it is up to you. You can give any special identification. I don't mind. Is it okay? So this is all about notice writing. I hope it is clear. Very good.